Imagine a world without neon lights. No vibrant cityscapes, no pulsating signs, no glowing marquees. It's a bleak thought, isn't it? Neon, with its ethereal glow and captivating colors, has become an integral part of our modern lives. But have you ever wondered, how much is neon actually worth? Neon, a noble gas discovered in 1898, was initially used for scientific research. However, its potential for lighting became apparent during the early 20th century. The first neon signs were introduced in the United States in the 1920s, and they quickly gained popularity due to their striking appearance and durability. Neon's value in the market. While neon itself is relatively inexpensive to extract from natural gas, its value lies in its applications. Here's a breakdown of how neon is used and how it contributes to the economy. Lighting. Neon signs are still widely used for advertising and decorative purposes. The unique glow and vibrant colors of neon make it an attractive choice for businesses and individuals. Lasers. Neon is used in gas lasers, which have a wide range of applications, including medical surgery, industrial cutting, and scientific research. Plasma displays. Before the rise of LCD and LED TVs, neon was used in plasma displays. While these displays are no longer as common, they were once a popular choice for high-definition televisions. Semiconductor manufacturing. Neon is used in the manufacturing process of semiconductors, which are essential components in electronic devices. Factors affecting neon's price. The price of neon can fluctuate due to several factors. Supply and demand. If the demand for neon increases, its price may also rise. Factors such as economic growth, technological advancements, and increased production of electronic devices can influence demand. Production costs. The cost of extracting neon from natural gas can affect its price. Changes in energy prices, production efficiency, and geopolitical factors can impact production costs. Competition. The availability of alternative materials or technologies can influence the price of neon. For example, the development of more efficient LED lighting could reduce the demand for neon signs. Neon's future. Despite the emergence of newer technologies, neon continues to play a valuable role in various industries. As the world continues to advance technologically, the demand for neon may evolve. However, its unique properties and applications ensure that it will remain an important element in our modern society. So, how much is neon worth? The answer is complex and depends on various factors. While the gas itself may be relatively inexpensive, its applications and contributions to different industries make it a valuable commodity. As technology continues to evolve, the value of neon may fluctuate, but its unique qualities and versatility will likely ensure its continued relevance in the years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.